Anyiti itemi ruhonge-ini rwa mikawa kuma kaunti ya Ikiro riu nimareganite na mendekithia ma ruhonge rwa kuramata micaara rwa SRC ma kuiganania marihi ma njoherera maria maheagwo aruti a wira thirikari riria maracera kana guikara mikawa-ini itiganite matauniini matiganite. Kuringana na anyiti itemi aya ikinya riri ritikinyaniire kuona kwa ihinda mikawa ikoragwo ikirihio kuringana na icigo iria yakitwo. Riu makiuga undu uyu waya gucungiriria aruti wira amwe gwithemana na icigo imwe uguo mikawa ya icigo ici ikiandikithia hathara.
SRC now has sent a letter to our branch in Naivasha saying that they want to review the classification of per diems in all cities, towns and villages in Kenya.
And we think it is very important that we build this MICE destination. It is not just good for Naivasha, it is good for our foreign currency reserves, because as we know, we need a lot of it in this country so we can stabilize our shilling.
Kuringana na muikariri giti wa ngwataniro eno David Mwangi, aigithia kaunti-ini ya Ikiro ni mekite uria mangihota gukuria gicigo giki makiria na mikawa na uguo hari bata kwaga kumauna moko.
They want to make it uniform, that when you go to every part of the Kenya of the country, the per diem will be the same. It looks okay in the face of it, but we as stakeholders, and that's why we had this meeting, we have objected to it, because different places in this country have different infrastructure. Different places in this country have different living standards. That's why we insist that SRC should maintain the categorization, even as we request them to upgrade Naivasha back to where it was.
Gukinyeria umuthi mikawa iri mucini munene wa Ikiro iri na uhoti wa gukua ageni makiria 10,000 hari utuku na aruti wira thirikari aria maracera guku maheagwo njoherera cia mikawa ya gikiro kia iguru. Uguo itua ria SRC ria yakogagaia uruti wa wira mikawa-ini no.
It means that we are going to have reduced investors coming to Nakuru, and remembering that Nakuru is one of the hubs for investors in the country. So we are urging SRC to seriously reconsider that proposal, and we are going to continue engaging further, because this is the beginning.
That is not the way to go. You will kill tourism the way we know it, because right now without MICE there is no tourism.
Itua riri no rigwetetwo kugia na uhoti wa gutwara thirikari hathara riu ikirikana kumitwaririra hari uhuthiri wa kigini na makiria gukira kiria kirahuthika umuthi. Hadini ya Kameme TV ritwira kwa ni Bataro wa Mwagi.